should think, why did I come to this material world? I made a big mistake. What am I going to do about it? It's full of distress. On the other hand, yeah, it's a good start to be free from the distress of this world by understanding that this world is not free from distress, but I require to get free from distress. On the other hand, we shouldn't look at our immediate, we shouldn't become absorbed in our present situation and become overwhelmed by it. Understand the deeper platform. Mahabharata says that the remedy for sorrow is abstention from brooding over it. Now, if I think that, this person, they did that to me, they said that to me, and we just get all caught up in it. But what we find is that, as Mahabharata states, when sorrow is brooded upon, it comes back on, it increases more and more. When we think about, what after all is distress? It's a state of mind. What we're talking about, akshobhya, undisturbed. That means that the outside circumstance, that means that the external circumstances, they're changing all the time, and we're hoping they'll get better, but oftentimes they don't. But mentally we're peaceful. On the other hand, the disturbance, what is the disturbance? It's something in our own mind. So if we just keep on chewing on that in our minds, regurgitating this, that, someone said this to me, they did that wrong, why did that go wrong? I'm so unfortunate. And then we increase our own misery by meditating upon it. Therefore, Mahabharata states, one should relieve mental sorrow by wisdom. Just as physical pain can be cured by medicine, so mental pain can be mitigated by wisdom, by considering everything in this world is temporary. Whatever I'm suffering from, there must be a cause for it. I must have done something wrong. The laws of karma are at work. So Mahabharata says, be wise. Become wise.